Friends, it's story time, and today we are going to read Subway Ride. It's a book written by either Lynn Miller and illustrated by Sue Ramá. And this book is about the subway. Do you know what is a subway? You see, this is a train, and it is a train that goes underground. You see, this is the planet, and the subway goes underground like a snake. And this is where we get into the subway. We have to go by the stairs, down, 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 step down below to see the world. Now off we go. We pay our fare, we turn the gate. And we see here Cairo. And here is a sign saying to platform. And you see people they buy a ticket, then they put a ticket on this machine and they can get into the subway. Underground we wait. Saxophone blasts, jazz vibes, drums and cymbals jam and jive. Rumbling, roaring, blurring speed. Hammersmith, it's the name of the station. Silver bullet, rushing breeze. We step on quickly, move aside, door slide shut, or turn to right. Busy folks step off and on, we stay put, our trip is long. Doors slide open, we slide back, subway whizzes down the track. And you see this part of the subway, it's on top of the street. It has a kind of bridge and we see houses, and this part of the subway is not underground. We bump and sway, we hold on tight, we zip through tunnels dark as night. Clomping, stomping, shuffling feet step to the clacking subway beat. Let's stop. We hear the driver shout. Doors open wide. We step out. Step up from the dark. A celebration in the park. And this was our poem or story from today. At the end of the book, we have a small text for each one of the subways or of the most significant subways around the world. And I hope you enjoyed this story. I have two questions for you about this book. What is a subway? And is the subway always underground? You saw this book and so many pages with pictures about the subway. And can you tell me now if the subway is always underground? I hope to see you soon, friend. Bye bye. Bye bye.